Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe. This is nothing but Arsara Polo Ani Kukka Humman. This is an instant breakfast recipe. This is nothing but a tender coconut dosa with potato curry in Konkani style. So let's see how this recipe is done. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the latest notification from our channel. To make the Arsara Polo, we need 2 cups of idli rice or any raw rice, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon jeera, 1 cup of grated coconut. Traditionally for this recipe, tender coconut meat is used, but if it's not available, you can use the coconut grating. Firstly, start with soaking the rice for about 4 hours in water. Add rice, water and coconut grating and grind till it is of dosa batter consistency. To the batter, add salt, sugar and jeera. If you are using tender coconut meat, you can avoid the sugar. Mix well and the batter is ready to use. If you are using a normal dosa tawa, then you can add oil and pour the ladle full of batter and take the dosa. But if you are using a non-stick pan, the batter doesn't stick to the non-stick pan. So first you need to pour a ladle full of batter and wait for 2 seconds and then make concentric circles from the center. This dosa is of little thicker and porous consistency than the normal dosa. You need to cover it with a lid and cook. Arsara Polo is ready. Let's see how to quickly prepare the kukka humman. To prepare the kukka humman, we need 1 cup of chopped potatoes. Cook is potato in Konkani. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of hing, mustard seed, jeera, urid dal and curry leaf for seasoning, 2 tablespoon coconut oil and some water. In a kadai, add oil and wait for the oil to heat. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seed, jeera and urid dal. Add the curry leaf and mix well. Add half a cup of water and once the water boils, add chili powder, turmeric powder and hing. Mix everything well and allow it to cook for some time, and then add the cooked potatoes. I have cooked the potatoes separately in microwave for about 15 minutes in high. Once you have allowed the potatoes to cook for some time, add little bit of coconut oil for flavor on top of it, and your kuka human is ready. Hope you like our video. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was. If you like our video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.